warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
I'm Alitiara Putri. I'm from B class. Today I'm going to explain to you about pedagogical approach to ITC integration in English language teaching. We know that English is the international language. A lot of people know about English, but they still don't understand how to use English correctly. Although now is 21st century, but there is no single excellent way to teach ESL, English as Second Language. Unfortunately, there is ICT has provided its potential by providing various techniques to teach and learn English language. ICT are pedagogical tools. Before I'm going to explain to you about the full meaning of ICT or pedagogical tools, first I explain you about ICT. ICT means information communications technology, such as videos, cameras, the internet, projectors, computer, and many more. That ICT as a tool for teaching English, or English is taught via ICT. And pedagogy. Pedagogy means generic form of knowledge that teacher use in learning process. That knowledge include technique or method. Every teacher in this world use her or his method in teaching to make a learning process more effectively. Several examples in speaking class, our lecturer gives us some technique to teach in speaking class, like technique, face-to-face talk, to make students know the real conditions of speaking. And the second knowledge is the method of the target audience. As a teacher has to know what the purpose of lesson is. When the teacher knows what the purpose of lesson is, the teacher can choose which one the strategy that teacher uses in learning process. And the third strategy is for evaluating. Every lessons that teacher teach in the classroom has different evaluations. Has point of evaluations. Like in writing class, we know that usually our lecturer order us to write an essay, because that essay has many factors of writing. But in speaking, when our teacher order us to talk in the front of the class, and the teacher know the point of our speaking, it's become the standard evaluation in speaking class. And ICT and pedagogy becomes TPK. TPK means technological pedagogical knowledge. Several examples, the combine of ICT and pedagogy in listening class. We know that in listening class, our lecturer order us to hearing audio of native speakers to make us know the real voice of native speakers. So the audio that the teacher use in pedagogy, teacher get from ICT, that is internet. After teacher download the audio from internet, the teacher play the audio on the computer. And after that, the student can hear the audio by using earphone. So the combinations of listening for ICT integrations is mean the reason of the teacher using ICT to get some benefit. The first is to cultivate students' interest in study. So when teachers saw the material using PowerPoint, the teacher make the wonderful PowerPoint, make the colorful PowerPoint, make the interesting PowerPoint, and it will make the student, it get the student interact, it get the student attentions in classroom. And second, to widen student knowledge to gain an insightful understanding to Western culture. We know that in Western culture is one of the difficult lessons that is taught by students, by teachers, because because there is no real model or native speaker can touch us what the Western culture is. So one of the ways to teach Western culture is using ICT, like internet. The teacher can download some videos about Western cultures, and after that, teacher saw the video using projector in the classroom, and the student can hear what the Western culture here, what the Western culture is, and the third benefit is to improve interaction between teacher and student, and implication of pedagogical motive ICT on ELL and ELD. The first is to provide the teacher with a quick and accurate overview of the student understanding. The second semester of our study, we know that we use Edmodo in listening class, and we write some our experience that, and the teacher can correct our experience by using Edmodo. And the second, the teacher can provide instantaneous feedback on learners' response. And also, when we study in writing subject, writing to our lecture, order us to upload our slide in Facebook, and we do what we call communication there, and the teacher can correct in that applications. And the second lesson can be made interesting and engaging. And then ICT fix. The truth of ICT will be held by the teacher and students. The first is the rightness of the educational system. The using of ICT is one of the way to learn in collect. Like teacher order the student to using an applications, and that application just used in writing prompt, but used in writing but don't use in speaking prompt. Like I think when the application that used in writing prompt is suitable when the teacher teach in writing class, so the student can write an essay there and send the essay to the teacher. But if the teacher use that application that have the readiness of the educational system. And the second, the impediments of completing the objectives of the English syllabus were to the high number of students per class. We know that ICT is very useful, but sometimes ICT is not available in college. And I think the high number of students per class becomes the second reason why the IDC street down. And it is math ICT is not subjective of the English syllabus. And third is loss of speaking communications. So when teacher use an applications in learning process, but that application you just have the writing from and not speaking from. So when it is happen, the teachers and the student will lose their speaking communications. Okay, after talking a lot about my own material, I will come up to my own conclusions. The first is the use of ICT in learning English will make situations of learning more effectively, flexible, and innovative. And the teacher spontaneously combine her or his pedagogy with ICT. And the second, as a teacher, not only have the basic skill of the ICT, such as word processors, the PowerPoint, videos editors, but also develop their knowledge about teaching. Okay, that's all. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.